Hi everyone, in this video we'll be doing the unboxing of a the Eternal Speed Cube. It's a high-speed 3x3 magic cube. I bought it for just only 300 rupees from Flipkart. So I'll put the purchase link in my description. It's an affiliate link, so do use my link if you are planning to buy. That will support the channel. Anyway, let's start unboxing this cube. And we got also beautiful container for the cube, which is I really like it. As you guys can see, this cube comes with this plastic wrap, so let me just quickly peel this off.
On the run, let's make love tonight. But you'll never be alone. I'll be with you from dusk till dawn. I'll be with you from dusk till dawn.
And these are the instructions how to solve the cube. This will be very useful if you don't know how to solve a cube. You can use this as a guide.
I'll be with you from dusk till dawn. Baby, I'm right here. We were shot like a jacket, so do yours it. We would roll down the
Actually, this cube is really smooth. I really like it. This is pretty good. Wow, I'm really impressed by this cube.
I wanna feel you too. I wanna see the sun.
What I'm going to say is that at this price point of 300 rupees, this doesn't seem like a bad value at all, considering all other cubes that sell at the local market. They were around 300 to 500 rupees. However, they kind of suck. You can definitely know the difference. This is by far the most budget perfect cube. So these are awesome cheapest cube you should consider buying. I suggest you guys definitely try it. You know what? It's only 200 rupees. It's worth trying. Yeah, that's it. Actually, I'm just gonna end this video right here. So make sure you guys don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and comment down anything. And yeah, see you guys in my next one. Peace.